Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a newcomer eager to explore this rewarding hobby, there's something uniquely satisfying about transforming raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces. Woodworking not only allows you to express your artistic vision, but also provides an opportunity to create items that can enhance everyday life. From simple projects that can be completed in a weekend to intricate designs that challenge your skills, woodworking offers an endless array of possibilities for personal expression and practical application. As you embark on this journey, you'll find that woodworking is not just about the end product, it's also about the process. The soothing sound of saws, the smell of freshly cut wood, and the joy of seeing your ideas take shape are all part of the experience. Moreover, woodworking connects you with a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion. Whether you're looking to earn extra income, create personalized gifts, or simply enjoy a fulfilling pastime, woodworking opens up a world of opportunities. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's dive into the exciting projects that await you. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep up with more exciting projects and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also find it helpful. Your support is invaluable and helps us continue to create high-quality content tailored to your interests. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos, tutorials, and woodworking tips that can elevate your skills and inspire your creativity. We truly appreciate your engagement and feedback, as it motivates us to bring you even more valuable insights. So, stay tuned until the end of this video for some exclusive tips and tricks that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to sharing this woodworking journey with you. Woodworking opportunities. Woodworking is a versatile craft that offers numerous opportunities to generate income. As a woodworker, you can create a variety of products that appeal to different markets. From home decor to practical items, the possibilities are endless. By focusing on simple and stylish projects, you can cater to consumers looking for unique, handcrafted items. Establishing a woodworking business allows you to leverage your skills while also being creative, making it a rewarding endeavor. The role of sustainability. Sustainability is a crucial consideration for modern consumers. Many buyers prefer products made from eco-friendly materials or sourced responsibly. By using reclaimed wood, you not only reduce waste, but also create unique pieces that tell a story. Additionally, opting for non-toxic finishes and glues can further enhance your product's appeal. Emphasizing your commitment to sustainable practices in your marketing can attract environmentally conscious customers, giving you a competitive edge. Mini projects with high appeal. Focusing on mini projects allows you to create items that are both quick to produce and highly marketable. These projects can include home accessories like coasters, key holders, or small decorative pieces. The advantage of mini projects is that they require less material and time, enabling you to produce them in batches. This efficiency not only maximizes your profit margins, but also appeals to customers looking for affordable yet stylish options. By offering bundles or sets, you can incentivize larger purchases. Understanding market demand. To succeed in woodworking, it's essential to understand what consumers want. Current trends show a rising interest in handmade, artisanal products that offer a personal touch. People are increasingly looking for items that reflect their individual style rather than mass-produced goods. Researching market trends through platforms like Etsy or social media can help you identify popular styles and products. Understanding your target audience, whether they are young professionals, families, or eco-conscious consumers, will guide your project selection and marketing strategies. Home decor items. Creating home decor items can be a lucrative niche within woodworking. Think beyond traditional furniture and consider items like wall art, decorative trays, or candle holders. These projects allow for creativity and design and can be tailored to suit various aesthetics: rustic, modern, or minimalist. By staying updated on home decor trends, you can create pieces that resonate with current consumer preferences. Consider offering seasonal or themed decor to capture the attention of buyers looking to refresh their homes. Seasonal projects. Seasonal projects can significantly boost your revenue, especially during holidays and special occasions. Items like holiday ornaments, themed decor, or gifts can attract consumers looking to celebrate. By planning ahead, you can create a range of products that cater to different seasons, from summer picnic essentials to winter holiday decorations. Marketing these items during the appropriate seasons can create urgency and drive sales, making them an effective strategy for increasing your income. Customization options. Offering customization can differentiate your woodworking business from competitors. Customers appreciate the ability to personalize items for gifts, special occasions, or home decor. Simple options like engraved names, dates, or custom designs can add significant value to your products. Implementing a straightforward customization process on your website or in-person sales can enhance the customer experience and lead to higher sales. Consider showcasing examples of customized items to inspire potential buyers. Collaboration with local businesses. Partnering with local businesses can expand your market reach and provide mutual benefits. Collaborating with boutiques, gift shops, or local artisans can help showcase your work to a broader audience. Consider proposing consignment deals or pop-up shops where you can display and sell your products. Such collaborations not only increase visibility, but can also lead to bulk orders, providing a steady revenue stream. Building relationships within your community can foster a supportive network that benefits all parties involved. A path to success. In conclusion, woodworking presents numerous opportunities for earning money while engaging in a fulfilling craft. By focusing on simple, stylish projects that cater to market demands and environmental considerations, you can establish a successful woodworking venture. Emphasizing quality, sustainability, and customer connection will set your business apart in a competitive market. With creativity, dedication, and a keen understanding of your audience, you can turn your woodworking passion into a thriving business. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you found the content enjoyable and informative. If you liked what you saw, we would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support not only encourages us to keep creating high-quality content, but also helps us reach a wider audience who shares our passion for woodworking and creativity. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest projects, tips, and tutorials, ensuring you never miss out on the exciting content we have in store. We genuinely value your engagement and feedback, as it inspires us to improve and bring you even more valuable insights. Thank you once again for being part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more woodworking adventures with you in the future.